This is editing James, and I don't really realise why I didn't make an intro to this video. But today we're making mac and cheese, because I was sad. I really don't understand. I don't know what I'm doing, and I don't know why I'm making this video.
Why do I grate cheese like a dum-dum? I'm so sorry in advance for this mess of a video. Why do I look so miserable? I should really smile more.
Ooh, so cool. Wait, show YouTube. It doesn't focus.
Me waiting for the water to boil. I had a bougie and was on FaceTime to a friend.
No. Where's my secret sauce? These are the secret ingredients to a James Fudge macaroni and cheese. Is it this one? Oh, do we have paprika? No, I'm just using chili powder. These are the secret ingredients. It doesn't like to focus. This camera's awful. Worcester sauce, chili powder. Secret ingredients. No. Oh, it's boiling! Right, roughly half this bag goes in. Let's see if I can guess. I'm scared it's too much water. And start the roux, which is the technical term for the sauce. Because I learnt that in cooking. We're gonna go here. Oh, you're better off measuring it. I never do. Toast chef. Okay, I'm gonna cut this up a little bit more so it melts quicker. Because that's the tip. Okay. We're gonna turn.
Why was those sentences so sexual?
Into the pan. Mutter. Mutter? The mutter is melting, Marge.
The fuck was that? I hate myself.
Got the boiling pasta that has so much water in it. Should I put the lid on it? Nah, we'll keep it off for now. And then we have the melting butter. 2. Now, should look like a Play-Doh. That should be not doing that. Add in a little bit at a time.
What I then did was mix the cheese sauce with the macaroni and put a lot, and I mean a lot of cheese on it, and put in the oven.
It's now in the oven because it needs to go nice. Other than that, it's basically the end of the video. So I'm gonna say bye now. I've been James. Make sure to stay happy.
Make sure to go to my Instagram and like the photos and videos.